everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shade builder business. So I'm an owner of a shade builder business and I receive a lot of inquiries by the customers on WhatsApp. And replying to each one of them all the time individually and manually is very time consuming and hectic. So to solve this problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now as I've created this bot, whenever by the customer I receive any of the inquiries on WhatsApp as a message, automatically this bot that I've created is going to send a reply to them. So now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot for yourself, for your business, then let me take you to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to create an interactive WhatsApp chatbot for a shed builder business. So firstly, I'm going to show you how this bot that I've created works in real time. So I'm going to send a WhatsApp message towards this bot with my mobile number. So this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, I'm going to send a message as, hey, I want to see your previous work. Okay, so I'm going to send this message to this bot. And as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, this bot has forwarded me an image, a welcome message with that number of options you can see right over here. I'm going to select this option, view our portfolio. As I'm going to select the option, automatically this bot is going to reply to me with a document and a message. Okay, so you can see this is the document this bot has forwarded to me right over here. And you can see this bot is then automatically going to reply to all my messages. And we are going to learn in this video how you can build this bot step by step with the help of Pabbly Chatflow without writing a single line of code. Okay. For that, firstly, we need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow on a new tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Okay. After browsing the website, Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you. On the landing page, you have two options: sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, directly sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. I am an existing user, so I'm going to directly sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides, from which we are going to select Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button right over here. After that, Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. After coming to the dashboard, what is Pabbly Chatflow? It is a tool that helps businesses to send WhatsApp messages and manage WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. In order to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, you need to add your WhatsApp number. For that, click on this button. There are two methods right here: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn both of the methods in order to set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find the video links that I've already attached and added in my description box below. Okay, Pabbly Chatflow provides multiple features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, settings, under which we have multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, you can check out the videos we have already added in our description box below. In order to create a bot in our Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left side, go towards Flow and Flows section right over here. Then the Flow Builder page is going to appear in front of you, and to add a new bot, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner. As you can see, a new bot has been created. Firstly, we're going to rename this flow right here, which is going to be WhatsApp chatbot for your shed builder business. Okay, so this is the name I want to give towards this flow. After renaming the flow, it says flow start. How this flow, the bot that we are creating, is going to be triggered. There are three ways: keywords, regex, and choose template. So let's suppose you have entered few keywords in this field and the customer sends those keywords as a WhatsApp message. This flow is then going to be triggered from here. Next is choose template. So let's suppose you have selected a template over here in the flow start, and you have forwarded that template towards your customer as a broadcast message, and towards that message you receive a reply from your customer. This bot is going to be triggered from here. Next is regex, which is a short for regular impressions. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. We are going to use regex right here. For the regex, I have a special character which is going to help me trigger this flow every time I receive any messages by the customers towards my bot. Okay, so I'm going to write that special character right here. So this is the special character. Okay, using this character, every time we receive any of the messages from our customers towards the bot, automatically the bot is going to be triggered from here. If you want to use the same regex in your bot that you're creating, you can find it in the description box below. Okay, After setting up our flow start, what message should be forwarded first after we receive an inquiry by the customer on WhatsApp? Towards the customer, first of all, I want to share an image of the shared work that I've already done. With that, I want to send them a welcome message and number of options. In order to add an image in our flow start, from this point, drag it and drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media right here. Media type is going to be image, as I'm going to forward the image. Next, it is asking for me to upload the image. Either paste the URL right here, upload it directly from here. So I'm going to click on this button. As I'm going to click on it, this window is going to appear in front of you, and this is the shared image which I want to forward. So I'm going to select it and open it in this message. And as soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds, the image is automatically going to be uploaded right here. After adding the image, I want to send a welcome message. For that, we have to add a content in this box right here. For that, click on this add content. Content type is going to be text plus button. For the message, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message that I've written. Hi there, welcome to Crafted Cabins. This is the name of my business. We build beautifully crafted shades and cabins tailored to your lifestyle. Over here, it is asking for us to choose an option below. For adding the options, I am going to simply add buttons in this message. I want to add 3 buttons, so I'm going to click on this add button 3 times. In a message, you can only add maximum number of 3 buttons only. Now we need to name all the buttons. So for the name, I'm going to write it as... So these are the name of my buttons: explore sheet types, view our portfolio, and contact support. Okay. So what message should be forwarded towards the customer if they select this button, that is explore sheet types? Simply, I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for this explore shade types, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message for the explore shade types. At Crafted Cabins, we build premium quality shades designed to match your lifestyle and space. Over here, I've mentioned all the shade types that I provide. You can see right over here the garden shade, tool shades, storage cabins, home office shades, and custom design. You can see I've added all the details. Now I want to add a button of pricing with this message as well. So I'm going to add a button right over here and name it as pricing. Okay, so after naming this button as pricing, for the message for this button, I'm going to simply drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button, and for the message for the pricing, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message for the pricing, shade pricing details. These are all the pricing for the types of shades that I provide, the starting standard pricing right here. Okay. So now these are the messages that is going to be forwarded in series with this button, that is explore shade types. Now I want to add a button with this pricing as well. So let's suppose if any of the customers like any of the pricings and they want to know more about it, so they want our details, that is going to let them contact us directly. For that, I'm going to add a button over here of contact support. So I'm going to simply copy this button name from here and add it right here. For the message for the contact support, I'm going to wait for a few seconds right here. Before that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to firstly rearrange the messages. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the message for this button, that is view our portfolio. For that, I'm going to simply drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media right here. As for the portfolio, I have created a PDF document in which I've added all my previous work. Okay. So where my media type is going to be document. Now I'm going to upload the document from here. Over here, you can see this is the portfolio. I'm going to select it and open it in this message right here. Okay. In this portfolio, I have all my previous work added. Okay. So now after that, with this portfolio, I want to add a caption. So for the caption, I'm going to write it as... Take a look at some of our beautiful build shades and cabins, from stylish garden shades to functional home office. Every design reflects quality and care. You can see right away, this is the caption that I'm going to forward with this document right here. Now I want to add a button over here of the contact support as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this add button and paste the name of the contact support right here. For the message for the contact support, I'm going to wait for here. Okay. Now what I want is I want to write a message for this contact support. For that, simply I'm going to drag this point, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be text plus button. And for the message for the contact support, I'm going to write it as... So this is the message for the contact support, need help. Over here for need help, I have added my mobile number and the email address. And as soon as a customer is going to call on it, automatically my team is going to have an interaction with them. Okay. So now with this message, I want to add a button and I'm going to name the button over here as back to main menu. Using this button, a customer can go directly back to this main menu that I've created. Now I have added this button that is contact support, and this is a contact support message. So I'm going to connect all the contact support buttons to this message right here. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to rearrange this entire bot. So this is the bot that I've created. Now I'm going to save this bot from here. It says flow updated successfully. As now I've saved this bot successfully, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test this bot whether it's successfully working or not. For that, towards this bot from my number, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message, and after that I'm going to check whether this bot automatically replies to all my messages or not. Okay. So towards this bot, I'm going to send a WhatsApp message with my number. So this is the bot that I've created. So I'm going to send a message over here as, hey, I want to know what types of shades you build. Okay, so I'm going to send this inquiry towards this bot, and automatically within few seconds, you can see this bot has forwarded me an image, and with that, it has forwarded me a welcome message and number of options. I want to explore the types, so I'm going to select this option from here, and you can see this bot has automatically replied to me. Okay, now you can see in the message some of the text is bold right here. So how have I done that? For that, over here, let's suppose this was the types of message. Now in the message, you can see like this. In front of this word of my business, that is crafted cabins, and in the end of it, I have added 2 stars. Now, what are these 2 stars used for? To make the text bold. If you add these 2 stars in front and in the end of any sentence, it is going to make the entire text bold formatted. Okay, that is why you can see in the message, I have received this text in bold. Okay, so you can see this bot is automatically replying to all my messages. This means we have successfully built this bot using Pabbly Chatflow. And there you have it, your own custom WhatsApp chatbot for your shade builder business. And best part is you can create your own test WhatsApp chatbot right away, because Pabbly Chatflow gives you 100 free credit points to get started instantly. So go ahead, build your bot and start using Pabbly Chatflow and make your WhatsApp conversations effortless. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.